Eicolong is the Lomo Apolon ado sabiti loda tubol. Apesi loda itera krono da korokora Aswamisinei Equipment Service Commission. Itolomi na iseratene na adi lipitere. Itolomi Itunga to Aswamisinei osodi da apesi leka odabo bo aigir. Itonaja kanuto. Koto moine rikengesi da itoroni te apesi loka. Itoloma Itunga to Aswamisinei obala da ebe. Raidu duchuluda na nakinete ngesi aichoreta nuda ebe itaswam osote da Aswamunu kechebon mamda chamanara kedengesi.
And for me, being shocked by an advert concerning Kapelebyong, I think that is where the irregularity is. There is no other thing. Either the irregularity of having the advert put in the news without my knowledge. By the way, however small I am, that thing would have been with my knowledge. Whatever goes on should be known by the office of power, whoever is sitting there.
Aretokinos na ada kopekwa na itingite ya PSC kwa pelejari la Apolon kiosomero ngesi de balada ebe.
We handled the positions that cow had submitted to DSC for either replacement or whatever, promotions or what. And there were also files for persons that had requested for transfer of service.
Kapelebyong district edo pelejai otomo district tomo la golok wala swam kusla golok wala swam kero o Uganda so isoka pa lirai ilupeke lo Kapelebyong ni somai Kapelebyong mamsi popela na rai leishi nja iso do wari district ya utapolo na polo konya to ya una kron kerengesi engmi milejai kidini kao kede Service Commission la posa sekutu ainakini dwe ara inakini Itunga Aswamisinei Kapelebyong.
Chairman of the district is supposed to take cow and the office of District Service Commission of the district so that you can unite. Where is the problem of the district? Where are we having the challenge?
Francis Akorikin lode rai LOC5 lot district Loko Kapelebyong ngesi de chamunite obalebe engungete ngesi tene jai.
Kapelebyong has the problem of lack of heads of department. We don't have a principal auditor. We don't have a district engineer. We don't have a district health officer. We don't have a district education officer. We don't have a senior procurement officer. Because government has not sent us money to feed.
Kanuka TV East Martin Apolon, Kapelebyong District.